Hi, today we are just going to do a simple arithmetic. We are going to learn how to multiply fractions. We will just get right into the question. First, let us read the question. John walks 2¾ miles in 1 hour. Paul, who was riding a bicycle, rode 3½ times the speed John was walking. How many miles did Paul rode in the same hour? John walks 2³ times. Paul walks 3½ times the time that John walks. Now let's carry out the maths and solve the problems. Let's change this mixed fraction to improper fraction. 2 multiplied by 3 plus 1 equal 7. This is how it is done. 2 multiplied by 3 plus 1 is equal to 6 plus 1, which equal to 7 over 2. So in this case, the numerator is 7 and the denominator remains the same. And we do the same thing for the second one. 4 multiplied by 2 plus 3. Here it goes again. 4 multiplied by 2 plus 3, which is equal to 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11, which forms the numerator. And the 4 remains, which is the denominator. Let's go over to the other side. Now that we would have found the numerator and denominator, we just cross multiply. So what happened? Now with this line, we now have the numerators and denominators where they belong. Numerators and denominators. The multiplication sign as we are multiplying the two fractions. Now all we need to do is multiply the numerator by the numerator and the denominator by the denominator. So numerator in this case is 7 multiplied by 11, which is 77. That gives you back the whole numerator. Same thing with the denominator. 2 multiplied by 4 equal 8, which forms the overall denominator. So the answer for this question would be 77 over 8, as it is written right here. But we want to now change back this improper fraction, and it's called improper whenever the numerator is greater than the denominator. It's called an improper fraction, back to a mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is where you have a whole number and a fraction, and it is also the simplified way of a fraction. Now let's do the maths again. We now divide 77 by 8. As you would know, this line that is in between here, this line is called a divider. So whenever you see this sign, you know that you are supposed to divide. Now you divide 77 by 8. In our case, we get 9 and remainder 5. The remainder 5 becomes the numerator, and the 8 remains the denominator. Hence the answer we got was 9 and 5 over 8. If you understand or you want something to be explained again, you can just drop us a comment. However, if you enjoyed this video, I please ask you to subscribe. Thank you.